Good morning, guys. It's the second day here in New York City. Just woke up. It's really early, like 7:08, but the sun has already shined. That's different in Singapore. Like the sun only shines in Singapore like around 8 plus. Yeah, and the sun, like, there's a difference over there. The sun sets later, but over here the sun kind of sunset. The sun sets earlier at around 5 or 6. I think that's common in the European or like the countries that are above the hemisphere. So yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast. Gonna, wash out my hair. I'm messy. Yeah, and we'll see what else we can do for today. So yeah, I wanna just explore some places also today. That will be fun. So yeah, let's go. It's raining heavily outside suddenly, and yeah, I'm getting ready to go out for lunch soon in somewhere between Chinatown. Plan is probably just indoor activities because it is pouring like crazy and it's gonna be a nightmare just walking around in the outdoors. So yeah, and by the way, we're gonna watch Broadway tonight. Michael Jackson, which is gonna be exciting. I've never been to a Broadway show before, and I think it's gonna be cool. A lot of people recommend going to Broadway shows, and yeah, you can't really get one in Singapore. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head out. See you guys. So now we're at this Thai restaurant. We decided to have lunch here. We have this Penang curry, their rice over here. Then there's this chicken satay, which has this like spicy sauce and some garnish over here. And lastly, the Thai fried rice with the beef. And we'll just be sharing all of this with us. And yeah, it looks good. So yeah, we'll be diving in. So just finished eating lunch. We're heading to Chinatown right now. Pretty drizzling everywhere. I'm getting a bit wet, but yeah, so far so good. Just arrived at Canal Street, which is near Chinatown, and yeah, it's actually very narrow, so advise not to stand close because someone can kick you, but yeah, it's a bit dangerous, so yeah. walking in the middle of Chinatown right now, and yeah, there's a lot of these thrift shops, a lot of the same things, selling the same stuff, and yeah. And I'm caught in the rain, trying not to do it, but yeah. This place makes you feel like you're not even in the US. It feels like you're in like Hong Kong. Just looking at the side of the street, it's just all these Chinese restaurants. It's pretty cool, you might say. So just opposite of Chinatown is Little Italy, just literally side by side. You can see all the architecture is all red. It's a whole lot, you know, Italian restaurants all over here. Just different vibe, of course. Hey guys, just came back from the day, and sadly I couldn't record any of the footage for the Broadway show, but it was really like entertaining watching the MJ musical. It was just so great. The performance was just honestly top notch. The singing, from dancing, just the whole thing was just really fun, and the audience was also really great too. We all like just clap our hands at the end, and they played a lot of like great songs. Like if you listen to MJ, it's like Smooth Criminal, Beat It, all the classics, of course. And yeah, I'm just really, yeah, I just feel happy right after watching it. But yeah, it's been a really rainy, wet day. Yeah, so sorry if I couldn't get any stable footage for today. It's pretty late, 1 a.m. But yeah, I guess I just want to wrap up today. It's been fun. Went to Times Square. Yeah, Times Square isn't really it's not really a nice place if I'm being honest, but I guess it has its charm from all the billboards and all, but I try to avoid it sometimes. But yeah, that is New York, right? It's just chaotic and all. But yeah, tomorrow I hope it's not raining, and we could just probably explore different areas of the city. and maybe more food to explore also, which will be fun. So yeah, good night. It's late. I'm gonna sleep. And yeah, that's all for the video. Bye bye, guys.